Hello, today I'm going to show you how to sign out of Gmail on iPhone iOS. Let's start. First of all, open up the Gmail app. Then click on your profile icon from the top right corner. After that, tap on Manage Accounts on this device. Now from Manage Accounts, click to turn off the account and tap to remove it from this device. Then click to remove the account even if all the data will be unsaved and removed from this Gmail account. This is how you sign out of Gmail on iPhone. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. And explain me how we're solving new problems every day.